together, gonna be good vibe, keeps on getting better. We can watch the sunrise. Been a hard time, but I keep trying, keep on walking that road. Been a long night, but I'm still fighting, I'm not staying down low. I'm pushing past the edge, I see the light ahead, saw the dark side, but the sun is rising, I'm not giving up hope. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a good day, good day, good day. It's a good day, good day, good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day, sweet like honey. It's a good day coming. Keep on running. Won't stop for nothing. It's a good day, good day, good day. It's a good day, good day. Together, gonna yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good day, you can do whatever. Gonna yeah, yeah. It's a good day.
Happy birthday. Love you. I love Chola.
It's a good day coming.
Iba kasi yung 18 sa atin eh. Kasi pag 18, legal ka na, ang dami mo nang pwedeng gawin. Minsan sinasabi pa sa atin na, pwede mo yan gawin pag 18 ka na. Tapos ngayon, nandito na ako, hindi ko alam if magagawa ko po talaga yun or ewan. Pero siguro yung 18 para sa akin is magiging seryoso na yung buhay, lalo na magiging college na.
When she was 5 years old or 6 years old, they will have an exam and I need to review her. Pag bumagsak ka, hataw ka. Pero pagka pumasa ka, kahit ano, sabihin mo sa akin. So yun, pagkatapos ng exam niya, parang gusto niya sa akin isampal yung mga test paper niya. Daddy, here's my test paper. Ganun siya. Kabisote, kabisote.
4 years old, 5 years old, sobrang independent niya na. 4 years old or 5 years old siya. Mommy, where is my rubber shoe? Sabi ko, why? Because I want to run with my friends. Sabi ko, okay. So, alam mo yung parang nagde-decide siya on her own. Imagine mo magugulat ka na lang na parang meron siyang something na gagawin na all of a sudden na hindi mo akalain na, okay ka lang. Growing up, talagang matalino si Riona. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, malamang hindi sa akin nagmanap.
Yes! Wala na akong hihingi pa. Basta makagraduate, diploma, bahala na siya.
Lahat ng dream niya, ma-achieve niya. Kasi syempre, may sarili ng decision yan. So, ang gusto ko lang is lahat ng decision niya, pag-isipan niya mabuti. As a parents, gusto namin maging successful siya. In the future, kung pipili man siya ng ano, diba? So, I wish na...
Tagal yun. 18
Talaga?
pa lang eh.
Pero of course, diba, we need to be ready. Happy birthday,
Riona.
Ana.
Ano ba?
Ulit. Yan tayo eh.
18 ka na. Hindi pa, joke pa. Ay, hindi pa pala, sa 4 pa. Pero,
Happy 18th birthday.
Sino mo? Mali ka na.
huwag mo kami iwan.
Sobrang Latina natin! Sobra! Hindi tayo papayag na ikaw lang, dapat kami din.
Ano na yung jowa? Isip naman muna makatapos.
Happy birthday, Pamangkin. I love you.
Makagawa ka ng memories and makagawa ka ng decisions na hindi mo mapagsisisihan. Even though it's inevitable, please remember that I'm always here for you. I'll be supporting and cheering you for your success. Happy birthday ulit, Yona. I love you. Happy birthday, Be. Happy birthday. Happy birthday and we love you, Riona.
Happy 18th birthday, Riona.
I manage to love you more kahit may nangyari na. Sorry because I was a hard-headed child, lalo na panganay. Kasi lalo na panganay, dapat ikaw yung role model, tas ikaw pa yung pinakamatigas yung ulo. So sana ma-appreciate nila kung gaano ko sila.
Hold your head up high, hold your head up high. Hope is just around the corner. Hold your head up high. See it in your eyes. You were born to fly. Hope is just around the corner. Hold your head up high.
Thank you po. Unang-una sa parents ko po kasi they made this possible. And sa relatives, sa friends, kung wala kayo, edi walang party.